Hey there, Take Action Low here, and I'm just going to dive right into it. So if you are looking for a lead source, a lead type that you can target in this market, in this climate, tired landlords is one. So I'm here in Propstream. It's a great service that you can use for your real estate investing business. I highly recommend them. One of the reasons why is you can find different type of motivated seller leads. Dallas, Texas, I already have that typed in here, and it's brought up over 369 unique properties. All right, and it's broken up here for the different type of lead types. So you have over 275 plus that high equity, you got vacants and so on, which is awesome. But if you want to target motivated landlords or landlords that could potentially be motivated, you want to click on filter. And once you click on filter, you can choose a number of options to kind of niche it down to be more specific. So here you have options of choosing vacants, liens, pre-foreclosures, etc. And for the purpose of this video, I'll choose high equity. So we want to look for high equity, non-owner occupied, which typically means landlords. All right, investors. Choose no. Occupancy status, we'll choose any. Property characteristics, we'll go here and choose residential. Property types, we'll choose single family, and I like multifamily, 2 through 4 units, and then multifamily 5 plus. That's just me personally. And then we can go here to HOA. I put exclude, don't necessarily like to deal with properties with HOA, so I just choose that. MLS status, no, we do not want any online leads. I solely want to focus here on off-market leads. Okay, so we have that. And ownership information, I say at least 7+ years. Okay, the owner type, we're going to leave that there. We'll go here for the mortgage information. I like to choose 1 because if tenants are not paying, they still owe a mortgage, then it's going to impact them. It's going to impact the landlords. And a lot of them might have bought properties and kind of got in trouble a little bit, and they need to sell. But now you have owner occupied, no, high equity. So right here is your search, and this is how you can pull potential motivated landlord leads. Also, if you notice here that it knocks down the unique properties to 4,148 properties here. And one of the great things about also using Propstream is you can go in and click here and download all of them, all these leads, or you can go in and click through and only, let's say, download and save 2,000 or 2,500 of these leads to work at a time. Totally up to you. And again, with this particular system here in Propstream, it also gives you the ability to be able, you can mail them, direct mail. You can set up a mailing campaign here within Propstream. Also, you can skip trace this list within Propstream and get the phone numbers and call these sellers, which I highly recommend because cold calling and text message marketing is extremely effective, along with video marketing. That's another video. So these are some of the things you can do within this system. So if you are looking for leads and you're not sure who to target, Tired Landlords is a great lead source right now that you can target, and you can use Propstream to do that. So if you want more information about Propstream, they are offering a 7-day free trial. You can check it out. You can click on the link that I've provided below or around. All right. Thank you. And as always, take action.